Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off comments on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off comments on a Steam account, first open up your Steam app on your computer and log into your account, as I've already logged into my Steam account over here. And on this interface guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your username available for us with a drop down arrow at the top right corner where my mouse is currently hovering. Click on your username at the top right corner of the screen. And when this menu appears guys, click on the view my profile option over here and you'll land on this kind of interface of your Steam profile. And at the top right corner or the right side where my mouse is hovering, you can see the edit profile button available for us. Click on the edit profile button and you'll land on this interface where you can see the privacy settings over here at the left side of the screen, just above the Steam point. So click on the privacy settings. Now over here, in order to turn off your comments on Steam, you can see guys here it says the option can post comments on my profile, and it's on public currently, which means that everybody will be able to comment on my Steam profile. Now in order to turn it off, you can see you'll be required to click on it, and there are two options more, which is friends only and private. If you click on the friends only guys, everybody except your friends won't be able to comment on your Steam, but if you click on the private, nobody will be able to post comment on your profile on Steam. And with that being done guys, if you click on the private, your comments on your Steam profile will be turned off. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to turn off comments on your Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.